Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on HUAWEI Nova 13i. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at once, and your phone has to be plugged in. And you can let go of power button once you see your logo on your screen. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode, and here you have to use volume buttons to navigate and power button to select. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.